Hello everyone, hi, this is Saurabh from Lab Tech, and today we are gonna learn another lesson in digital marketing. So what we are going to cover today will be Google Analytics, but before that, if you like the video, if it gives you some value, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and be our subscriber. Once you hit the subscribe button, you're going to get all the latest videos directly on your YouTube every single time. So let's go ahead. What is Google Analytics first of all, and why do we use Google Analytics? Right, so if you guys have a website and you want to track your traffic, you want to know that what all visitors are coming onto your website, from which sources these visitors are coming. So you're going to need Google Analytics. Let's just jump around to Google Analytics and check the dashboard. Today I won't tell you how to set up Google Analytics, because this is just a basic introduction to analytics, so you understand how the analytics function, how it helps you, right? So right now I'm logged into one of my analytics account that is for Lab. So if you check out here, there are different accounts which we guys have. Let's check it for Lab, right? So the very first thing, what you can see right now is I have an active visitor on the website right now. It shows me active users right now. You want to test your analytics code is working or not. There are two ways actually how you install it. If you're using a WordPress, you can use, there are a lot of plugins which can help you, right? Or if you're using a HTML website, you'll have to get that code integrated onto the website. Now do you see this? As soon as I came onto the website, now it shows me 2 active users. So this is exactly what analytics does for you. It gives you a direct record of all the people who are coming to your website, from where they're coming, and the main reason why we use analytics is to improve our website performance. We are going to read all these stats. We are going to study all the data which analytics is recording every single minute for you, and you're going to use all this data to improve your website, to improve the whole experience, the user experience on your website. So let's quickly check it. Okay, so out here you can see there are 3 ways how they have, I'll say, segmented the data. First would be the traffic channel, the source or the medium from where you're actually getting this traffic, right? From where the user comes to your website, this is that source. And if you're being referred from any website, so this is called referral traffic, which is out here. So first of all, let's check the traffic channels. From where are we getting all this traffic? Okay, let's check the stat for 29th of July. I'm sorry, 29th of June. Let's see what happened on 29th of June. We got 6 visitors which are from organic search. Now organic search is, or as the name tells itself, organic, something which directly comes to your website without, this is not any paid search. These are people who are searching for your website. They find your website on Google result. SEO, what common people know as SEO. What kind of traffic do you get from SEO? You majorly get, you're actually working for this organic traffic. This is the most important traffic for any website. So we got 6 organic search, then we had 4 direct traffic. Now direct traffic means when an individual is directly coming to your website. anyone hears about ZachLab, what they do is, and they know the website zachlab.com, they'll directly go to your browser, they'll put zachlab.com and come to our website, land there. So that is the direct traffic, right? Then we have some referral traffic. Some of the website is referring these individuals to us. This traffic comes from the backlinks we must have created, right? We'll go ahead with the referral thing, from where we got this referral traffic, who referred this one person to us. We'll go ahead with the stats, we'll try to find that out. Let's move ahead. This next one is social traffic. Definitely we have some social sharing which goes on. We are sharing some of our posts on Facebook, so might be some people went on to those posts and then they landed to our website. So that is known as social traffic, right? And there is we haven't got any traffic from any other sources except these, so there is zero from other. So this is how they have segmented the data. See, what all analytics is capturing is when you have put that code onto your website, analytics is seeing from where the visitor is coming. Was the visitor searching for a search query, then he landed to your website, or is he coming from social media, or is he being referred from some website? This is all what Google is tracking. This is why you install the analytics code. This is the major reason why you're using analytics, to read all this data, right? So this is why we use analytics, so that we can get into the details, we can know more about the people who come to our website, the nature of the visits, and then we can accordingly work on our campaign, right? We can know what all we need to do. If I see a lot of my traffic is just coming from social media, I don't have any organic searches, I'm not getting any traffic from organic searches, so maybe I need to work hard on my SEO, I need to improve my rankings. So let's move ahead to the next segmentation, which you can say as source or medium. Now every time Google recorded what kind of traffic you got, it also recorded from which source you got it. So if you see the sources, it has recorded Google Organic, Quora Referral, Embello.top. This is again referral. So now we again, if we check the data for 29th of June, 6 visitors came to us from Google Organic. They were searching for some query on Google and then they landed to us. 2 came to us from Quora, 1 from Embello.top. This is again referral traffic, and 4 of them were direct visitors. So you can also go ahead, you can come to know that your which campaigns, how they're performing. Like I can see if we have worked a bit on Quora, I have got some results from there. I can see 2 of my visitors they came from Quora. So this is how you can track the progress of your campaign, how it is working. Let's move ahead to the third segmentation, which is referral. Okay, so again as we checked, even on the source, that 2 were being referred to us from Quora, 1 from Embello.top. We also have few links with Kinja and mobile.facebook, but we didn't get any traffic from there. This is the very first thing how you will understand the traffic which you're getting, right? Once you understand, this is the very first step of optimization, I'll say, right? This today when I checked the data, checked my analytics for 29th of June, one thing I certainly know is that I'm getting some traffic from Google searches. If someone is working on my SEO campaign, right, I've given my SEO, I've hired an individual who is doing my SEO, and I don't know much about digital marketing. Okay, he gives you the stats. He gives you the stat that every day you are getting 50 visitors, but your traffic is not converting. you're like, I'm spending money on SEO, I'm like getting 50 visitors a day, but I'm not getting any sales. What is the exact reason? So if you want to understand this aspect of digital marketing, that what kind of traffic actually converts, the very first thing which you need to learn is how to read Google Analytics. Google Analytics, it's like very simple, basic studying of data, right? How you can read the data which Google is capturing for you. Now definitely if you're getting 50 visitors a day and most of them are like direct traffic or like manipulated traffic from low quality websites, it won't convert. That is truth, it won't convert. So you need to know from where you're getting this traffic. This is something we are putting on some light today, right? Yes, we will go ahead. I'll explain you some other stuff as well, like what are sessions, what is bounce rate. So a session is every time when an individual lands to your website, a session is started, and that goes on for 30 minutes. If there is like no, I'll say, if the visitor is dormant for the next 30 minutes and again he comes to the page after 30 minutes, a new session will begin. So the time period for a session is generally 30 minutes. Then there is bounce rate, right? Bounce rate is how many visitors they came to your website but they bounced back, they just closed your page without visiting any other page, without checking out your other pages, right? So that is the bounce rate for your website. You have to work hard to keep the bounce rate as low as possible, right? Right now I can see 55 is the bounce rate. It also tells me the kind of traffic I'm getting. 55 is not very good. I'll definitely like to get it below 40, right? But this happens, right? You know, like people, I can tell you, like, if people are coming from organic searches, bounce rate will be less, right? But if the traffic is coming from sources when they are not really interested in your page, so the bounce rate is going to be high. You really need to work on this bounce rate. This is an important factor. The second is session duration. Okay, session duration is now average time spent by a visitor on your website. If I got 100 visitors, how much time did they spend on my website? Most probably I can say 200 minutes, because my average session duration is 2 minutes 42 seconds. So every visitor has approximately spent 2 minutes on the website. We have to increase this duration. If this duration is longer enough, it tells you that you have engaging content, people are liking the stuff. So this is how you have to read the stats, and you can know about your website's performance, right? So guys, today I won't elongate this session very long. This is basic introduction of Google Analytics. We will go in our next lessons, we will go into details, we will check out other stuff. I'll tell you about more in coming sessions. I'll tell you about easier ways how you can study your analytics, how you can make optimizations. Something very important for digital marketing, optimizing your campaign for best performance. So we will go ahead with the optimization. There is a lot to cover with digital marketing. If you like the video, again, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button. It gives a lot of value to us, right? Support the channel, and we will make sure that we give you one video with digital marketing every single day. go to Zach Lab Tech. This is Zach Lab Tech. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Okay, and for today we are going to close this session. See you again. Have a great day ahead, and goodbye.